Good morning guys, and in front of me is WIKO U Pulse, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first you have to open your phone gallery, then go to keypad, and now we can enter smoothly secret codes. So let's start with the first one, which is *##, 4636, *##. And here you've got testing mode, in which you can check phone information, user statistics, and Wi-Fi details. Once you tap on phone info, you will be able to read your email number, phone number if your SIM card is included, voice network type, data service, voice service, and so on. You can also run a ping test here, smoothly by tapping. You can perform it. Then you can also check the cellular radio power over here, then ping host name, data connection real-time info, and enable, for example, neighbor cell info. So smoothly enter the code and reach phone information. Then you can go into user statistics, in which you can see stats for every app of yours and for the usage of this app, also for last time used. And let's go back then. And then you've got Wi-Fi information, in which you can check Wi-Fi APA, configuration, and status. Let me go back then, and that will be all for the first code. The second code that I want to share with you today is *##, 225, *##. And here we've got the calendar info. So all calendars connected with your device, actually all events saved in those calendars would be included here, so you will not be surprised with any common events. So let me go back then, and another code that you can use here is *##, 426, *##. Here we've got FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and status. Then once you want to enroll more info, tap on more icon and click on advanced view. So here you've got all the details. And this is it. And the last code that I want to share with you today is *##06#. And this one will provide you with email number assigned to your device. So this is it. That will be all. These are all codes that you can use on your WIKO. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.